How to change personal information in OneXpert app. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the OneXpert app. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to change your personal information in your OneXpert account, you need to go to your account settings. Tap on this menu option in the bottom right. Next up, tap on your profile in the top left corner. Over here, you can see your personal profile page. You can see all your personal information over here. If you want to change any personal information details, here at the top you can see the enter details option. Tap on it. From here you can change your personal details like place of birth, your residence address, the city you live in. You can even upload your ID documents. If you want to change your email, your phone number or your password, you can change it from here. So that's it. That's how you can easily change your personal information in your OneXpert account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.